Hello GERMAVENGERS! This is Hans Washer, and today we're going to be learning on how to properly wash our hands. But I think I should change my camera so that you will be able to see what I'm doing. Are you ready? Let's go!
Okay, so let's start. So you first need your water, soap, and toilet paper or any towel that you have. Then you will rinse your hands using water. Then you close it so that you won't waste your water. And then get some soap and put it all over your hands. Now rub your hands palm to palm. Now place your right palm over the back of your left hand with interlaced fingers as well as on the other hand. Now rub palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Now place back of the fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlocked. Now rub your left thumb with your right hand and your right thumb with your left hand. Now rub the nails of your right hand over the palm of your left hand and also do this on the other side. Now rinse your hands with water. Be sure to remove all of the soap from your hands. Now get a towel or a tissue and then dry your hands. Use this to close the faucet. Your hands are now safe and clean.
Now that we've learned on how to properly wash our hands, let us now learn on when we should be able to properly wash our hands. Here are some moments that you should be able to properly wash your hands. Be sure though to follow the correct order and how to properly wash your hands in order to effectively remove the germs from your hands. So, let's start. Firstly is before, during, and after preparing your food, as well as before and after eating your food. This is to ensure that there will be no germs when preparing your food as well as when you eat your yummy food. Next is after using the toilet. Everyone knows that when we use the toilet, it is important to wash your hands afterwards in order to remove the germs from your hands. Next is after blowing your nose, coughing, or even sneezing. This is to make sure that you don't pass on the germs to other people or objects that could make another person get these germs. Next is after touching your pets. We love petting and playing with our pets, but usually they roam around outside and they get germs in their fur. So it is best to wash your hands in order to remove the germs after playing with your pets. Next is after touching garbage. Garbage is usually filled with many germs, so in order to not let it get into your body and also not to be passed on to another person, you should always wash your hands after touching garbage. And next is after playing with your toys or playing outside. Germs can usually stay on certain places such as your toys, door handles, etc. You'll learn more about this later. And that outside we can get many germs even from the air. So it's best that you wash your hands after playing with your toys and playing outside. And lastly, we need to wash our hands when our hands are dirty, simply because we don't want dirty hands. And clean hands make us happy and healthy. And that will be it for this video. I hope that everyone learned something while watching this video. And now, GERMAVENGERS, it is time for you to show me your skills in hand washing. Good luck!